My name is Mellissa. I really didn't believe in God. Religion's an insult to human dignity.
You used to enjoy going to church, Mellissa.
I was 8, Mom. I didn't have a choice.
Let us pray first.
Dad, please. But God believed in me. Through my reality, my struggles, my obstacles, God revealed himself to me.
I'm very sorry about what happened to your parents. Your father managed to save up some extra cash in the event something like this happened.
How much are we talking about?
How much?
It's a whole lot of money. What do you plan on doing with it?
You turned this house into a drug house? It's only been 9 months your parents passed away.
Sometimes we feel like God's strength isn't enough. So we look elsewhere.
Let's stop it right now before I kill you!
Yeah? You wanna shoot me? Yes, you will. I'm already dead.
Tell him what it is you want.
I want my parents back!
God is waiting for you with open arms. He's waiting to heal your broken heart.
Maybe I don't want to be saved. Maybe I don't want to believe in him. No, Mom! Mom!
Only fools say in their hearts, there is no God.
Are you on drugs?